Hi, welcome to Giulio's Bar. Today we're gonna mix cocktail with Savoia Americano Rosso. So the Savoia Americano Rosso started the category of Americano Rosso. The Americano Bianco is well known as the Cocchi. There is also the Rosa, Cocchi Rosa. This one is the Rosso, and unlike the Cocchi, it's not a vermouth with added quinine and other spices. This is like a blend of vermouth, a bitter akin to a Campari, and some Marsala wine. It's advertised as a replacement for the combination of sweet vermouth and bitter like Campari. How it's gonna perform? Well, we're gonna find out today. We're gonna put it through its pace with 3 different cocktail and let's see how it tastes like. But first of all, a word of warning. Here you can see the first bottle of Savoia Rosso I received, and I ordered from a well-renowned Italian distributor. But when I arrived, I was like, oh my God, smell like brine and onion. I'm like, this cannot be right. The Savoia Rosso got like 5-star plus from Simon Difford, is well renowned in the bartender community, and this cannot be. So I contacted the guys from Savoia Rosso and they answered me and they sent a new bottle which smells completely different. As you can see, also the color is different.
Completely different colors.
So this product is probably closer to a vermouth. The beautiful bottle doesn't help in this regard. I suspect the faulty bottle was exposed to too much UV lights or too much heat, and that's why it went bad. With that said, the bottle I received as a replacement from the Savoia Rosso guy smells really good, and I cannot wait to try it. This one goes in the sink.
Oh my God, you really did it.
Well, it's terrible. Well, at least I got the beautiful bottle left. So for our first test, we are gonna compare the Savoia Americano Rosso to the Cocchi Americano Rosa.
Ah, just like this.
Just poured
Straight.
over ice. That's what they say. They said it should be fine like that. I know the Cocchi Americano Rosa, it's fine like that. It's really nice. And let's see how different it is. As I said, the concept as a result might be similar, but execution is certainly different. So let's try it.
The color?
Color, actually, it's not that different. The Rosa,
Maybe, yeah. Cocchi Rosa is slightly more darker red. Maybe.
yeah, which it should be the opposite, because Rosso should be darker. The Savoia Rosso tastes really refined. I can tell the Marsala is in there. It gives a nice touch of sweetness and velvetiness. The Cocchi Rosa is definitely brighter and has more red berries, grapefruit flavor. The Rosso, in a way, is more gentle and softer. And yeah, more like a sweet vermouth, I would say. It almost has a smell of honey to me.
Yeah, this is mild. But then this one tastes more like sherry. It tastes more like wine.
And that one is the Rosa.
Yes, Rosa. Cocchi Americano.
They are definitely different beasts. And they are not interchangeable if you care about the flavor profile of what you're doing. They are interchangeable in a general sense because they both have bitterness and they are both vermouth style. But yeah, definitely different flavor. This one's softer, more honey-like, more sweet vermouth, classic. The Rosa is more grapefruity, red berries, and definitely sharper.
To me, it tastes a bit like sherry.
Ah, now I can see your point. Yeah, yes, a bit more of that sherry.
Like a wine-like flavor.
Yeah, and it makes sense because while this one is conceived as a wine with other spices. This is a wine, a sweet vermouth. We've added other things, especially the bitter of like a Campari-like thing. Okay, they are both really good.
Yeah.
It's
But you
like-
can just drink it like this. I
Yeah,
didn't
yeah.
know. I thought it was always have to be a cocktail mixed with something else, but I mean, I can just drink it like this.
Yeah, you
Perfect.
can drink it like that. So while I ask my beautiful wife for some ice, I'm gonna explain you the next challenge. And the next challenge is gonna be a standard Negroni. So on Default's guide, I found out that you can just make a Savoia Rosso Negroni by using 1 part of gin and 2 parts of Savoia Rosso, which is gonna act as both Campari and sweet vermouth. So I'm gonna mix these and then I'm gonna mix a standard Negroni and we're gonna compare the two. So I'm gonna start with 30 milliliters of gin. I have this Macchia Sardinian Gin Selvaggio. It's actually a really standard gin. Juniper, heavy, and quite unremarkable if you ask me. It feels really dry, it's 45% ABV. And then we go on with 60 milliliters of Savoia Rosso. Let's add some ice here. Okay, let's strain our first Negroni. The one with Savoia Rosso. Nice pinkish color. And then I'm just gonna make a standard Negroni. And then we are gonna try them side by side. So it's gonna be 30 millimeters. Milliliters of Professore Rosso. A really good vermouth from Piemonte. Then 30 of standard Campari. This is, I don't know, is this the one for Europe? It's 25%. I forgot how much is the percentage of the one for export.
It's different.
Yes.
It can be different.
Yes. And it has a different amount of sugar and different colorant, but all in all, it's not that different. It's everything a bit different by
But
itself.
why would they make it different?
So the color part is because of veganism. This red in Italy is made still from cochineal.
Yes.
Bug.
Tentomushi.
Kind of. It's a similar kind of mushi, yes. Let's strain our standard Negroni. More amber color, I would say.
Ooh.
And
Yeah.
then let's give it a try. Savoia here, standard Negroni on that side. You start from one, I start from the other.
Okay. So this is standard.
Yeah, that's so. He made a weird noise. I would say this is really soft and mellow.
This is sharp.
Standard? Yeah, way sharper.
I like this one better. Savoy.
Yeah, it's a softer kind of Negroni.
Yeah.
It's mellow. Yeah, in fact, even at that taste before, it had some bitterness, but not as pronounced as a Campari bitterness.
Yeah. I know there are some people who is not a big fan of Campari bitterness can definitely go with this one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think so.
Nice.
Let me have one more sip. It really still has that smell that reminds of Marsala. It's mellow and nice. But I must say, if you like your Campari on the other side and your Negroni to be sharp, then this one is gonna feel, I don't know, more like a Martinez. It feels like it doesn't have the Campari, or it has just a tiny bit.
Yeah.
Which, it makes sense. I mean,
Yeah.
I think I was checking today the recipe of Negroni they make in Bar I5, one of
Yeah.
the best Negroni I ever had.
Yeah.
And I think that to use is 20 milliliters of Campari, 25 of vermouth, and 40 of gin. So a lower amount of Campari compared to the overall mix. Yeah, you like this one.
Yes. I've been waiting for this.
Okay, I can finish this
This
one.
ladies' cocktail.
So we are gonna finish these drinks and we are gonna see you for the next challenge. So, the third and last challenge for the Savoia Rosso is gonna be a cocktail specifically thought for the Savoia Rosso. It's called the D&B Shakerato. It was created by Matteo Carretta in 2021 in an
You said
hotel.
it's so Italian.
Yeah, I went super Italian. At Claridge Hotel in London. And let's get down to mixing this. We're gonna need 2 drops of saline solution. I'm gonna make 2 portions right now, so I'm gonna use 4 drops. And I have here some saline solution. I'm gonna, let's see, 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Wow. That went well.
Salty. Then we go on with 20 milliliters of honey syrup. 3-to-1 honey syrup. It's an acacia honey, so 10 milliliters for 1 person, 20 for 2. Then 20 milliliters of freshly squeezed pink grapefruit, so 40 milliliters for 2 people. And then we finish with 50 milliliters per person of Savoia Rosso.
5-0.
5-0, so we go with 5-0 once and 5-0 twice.
Nice. Oh, half the bottle gone. Ah.
Yeah.
And you said you cannot buy this in.
In Japan, probably not.
Oh, damn.
Let's get some ice in our shaker.
We went very rich today.
Yeah. And let's give this bad boy a shake. And while I give you a shake, can you give me a couple of chilled coupe
Yes,
from the
sir.
fridge? Thank you.
Here you go.
Nice. Thank you. Let's express some pink grapefruit peel. And there you go, a D&B Shakerato. Cheers.
Woo! Cheers!
Nice. Nice, mellow.
Yes.
Well, the truth is you can drink 10 of this. It's really like nice
Yes.
alcoholic juice.
It's true because some people might imagine when it's in, this coupe short cocktail, people could think it's relatively strong, but this one is very nice.
It's really light and
It's
nice.
light and nice, good for the summer also, surprisingly.
But the bitterness and sweetness
Yeah.
are well balanced. Nice the honey touch. Of course, pink grapefruit, we like it a
Oh,
lot.
wow.
And yeah, the Savoia, it's good.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's your mellow alternative to bitters.
surprisingly fresh.
It's really nice. I mean, it's extremely expensive. Next, we're gonna talk about pricing. And the thing is, this,
That's my core area.
yeah, and the thing is that this Savoia Rosso is €20 about in Italy for 500 milliliters.
This is just 500.
Yes. The
Oh,
bottle
wow.
is gorgeous. But so, two words of warning. One, the bottle is gorgeous, but you should keep it in the fridge all the time.
Ah, yes.
Because we know it can spoil if left outside. Two, the price. I think using the Savoia Rosso to make a Negroni is gonna increase the price of about 50%.
Compared to Campari.
Yes, compared to using a Campari and the medium to good quality vermouth.
But this is good.
It's good though. So yeah, you have to balance out your priorities.
But again, if you want one or two nice cocktails, like, we're adult, we don't have to drink a lot, like you just need one or two nice cocktails for the nice evening, and this will do it.
This will do it, and it makes mixing some of the cocktails you may want to do easier. Like a Negroni and Americano are instant. You skip one ingredient basically. You get from 3 ingredients down to 2.
I'm arriving to that age zone where you value quality over quantity.
Yeah, but it's becoming really expensive. If you want to have like 3 of these drinks, you're gonna finish the freaking bottle. Yeah, you're done.
There are a few times I empty the cocktail like instant moment, and this is one of it.
Yeah. So, Savoia Americano Rosso, really good, a bit pricey, and be careful where you store it. That's it. Besides that, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, share with anybody you like and don't like. Steal or shake yourself one of these drinks, and hopefully I will see you next time. Cheers.
Cheers.
She has an empty glass. That's
2 drops.
behind it in
Oh wow, it's a concerto di
yeah, usually they don't bark that much.
concerto di
Later.
uff uff.